So let me briefly show you how to make this simple granny square. I'll be using these two colors of yarn and 4mm crochet hook and also scissors to cut off yarns. So starting with our color white, I'm going to be making a magic ring. So this is a magic ring. I'll make chain 2. So this chain 2 counts as a stitch. So this is my first stitch. And I'll make 2 more double crochet. So this is 3 double crochet. I'll make chain 2. This chain 2 counts as our corner. So this is our first corner. So I'll make 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So I'll make chain 2, our next corner. I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, our third corner, and I'll make our last 3 double crochet. Chain 2, that is our last corner. So at this point I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 3 double crochet with chain 2. Now let's slip stitch into the chain 2 space on chain 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4 corners. Now I'll be making chain 3. So this chain 3 counts as chain 2 and chain 1. So chain 1 counts as a double crochet and chain 2 counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Now I will leave this side and drop into this next corner, and I will make 3 double crochet, chain 2, which counts as our corner, and our next 3 double crochet. Remember I said there's one chain here, so I'll be making this chain on the side, chain 1. Now I'll jump into the next corner and make our 3 double crochet, chain 2, chain 2, and next 3 double crochet. And on the side I'll make chain 1. So into the next corner I'll make chain 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and next 3 double crochet, and I will make my next chain 1. So the chain 1 is our side, while chain 2 space is our corner space. Now let's go back into this previous corner that we skipped. So into this corner I will make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and I will make 2 double crochet. So I will now slip stitch into the chain on top of the chain 2. So at this point I have 3 double crochet, chain 1. Hope you understand. So this is the end of our color white. I will chain 1 and cut off it with my scissors. So I'm done with the white color. I'll pick the next color. So here we are, our next color. So I'll slip stitch, pick my square, and Into any of the corner, I'll just insert my hook and pull this. I'll make chain 2. Now into that same corner, I said chain 2, right? Into that same corner, I'll make 2 more double crochet. So I'll make chain 1 and move on to this side, and into this side I will make only 3 double crochet. That is the side of where I have only chain 1. So I'll make chain 1 and move into the next corner. As usual, into that corner I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. I'll make chain 1 rather, and into the side I'll make only 3 double crochet. Chain 1, and into the next corner I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So I'll make chain 1, so chain 1 again, and into this next corner I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. I'll make chain 1, and into this side I will make my 3 double crochet. Chain 1. Now we are back into this previous corner. So into that previous corner I will gently place my 3 double crochet, chain 2, and I will slip stitch on this chain 1 space. So this is what you should have at this point. Now next is to make our 3 double crochet. So this 3 double crochet count as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Now into this side I'll make my 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and into this corner I'll make my 3 double crochet, chain 1, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. And I'll make my chain 1. So this is how I'll continue round till I get to this point. So I'll come back and show you how to go about this last corner. So we are back into that previous corner. Now into this corner I will make my 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet, and I will gently slip stitch into the on top of the chain 2 so it can give us our chain 1 space. Remember, if you want it bigger than this, just continue working in round and until you get your desired width and length. That is your desired measurement.